Abeg, make una no vex for this light wey dey show for this video. Wetin happen today wey make me come? Na because of the way we be say things don cost for this Nigeria. Una know say I tell una say I bin wan train chicken for my compound so that at least when chicken hungry me, I go fit see one wey I go chop. But now, as the landlady no gree, now I come say, oh yeah, now make I dey save money. So since that time wey be say I tell this woman say I want to train chicken, wey she no gree, I come dey save money say so that if chicken hungry me anytime, I go fit go buy lap of chicken chop. Now I don save. I don come save reach 2,500. See as I serious for work now. Una chicken now. Una no see how serious I dey. Person wey chop na dey. No, person wey work na dey chop. Now I come dey work. Una no see the certificate wey I don do for person. Even though say this customer no gree price me well, I go carry certificate go give no problem. Back to my story. Now so I don save 2,500 naira after my savings. I don save, come save 2,500 naira. Carry myself, waka enter eatery. Why I for video this eatery for una? I come say no, I dey in a hurry. Make I go back my shop so that I go still make more money. Now I come rush. Make I go there. I say, give me that biggest slap of chicken. Now this will tell me say, okay ma. So as that one they follow me talk now you colleague come tell and say, whether don't tell me price. Now the person who they attend to me come tell me say, madam say chicken lap na 4,800. I can say, why it go be 4,800? Now this one tell me say, I say na their new price say na 4,800. I say I don't understand. No vessel. I don't think you say na the full chicken at the final. Na chicken lap, na one, na just one. I don't think you say na the two of them. You know say chicken they get two lap. I be disappointed say na the two at the. No be the two. Now one at the fine. Only one. Now you go tell me say one na 4,800. No vessel. The full chicken can be how much? I mean, you know, I don't. I never chop chicken. Maybe I never know the price of chicken. Chicken past 3,000. It past 3,000. When I go they put price like saying tomorrow no day. Wetin happen? After how many months I don't save 2,500 to take go chop this chicken lap? And I no still won't make I chop am. No be two lap, but they find now one. Now this people tell me say no. Say now one. Now be 4,800. And the one why they tell you, no be say it big reach my head though. You know even near anywhere. You know even reach anywhere. Now this people the price 4,800. I don't vex. I don't come up for there. Make I come dey serious for my job. Make I see maybe I go make money go buy the full chicken.